With today's less nutrient-dense diets and increased stress levels, holes are appearing in the age-old perception of the cast iron gut. It is a well-known fact that your stomach and intestines break down foods so they can be absorbed. But did you know it also has an important role in protecting your body from harmful substances? Your gut wall acts as a barrier to what can and can't enter your bloodstream, quite literally acting as a form of gatekeeper to your entire body. So what happens when holes begin to appear? Science has discovered that many diseases and disorders could actually originate from toxins and unwanted food particles leaking from your gut into your bloodstream and affecting the functioning of your organs and organ systems throughout the body. This phenomenon is called intestinal permeability, or more commonly called leaky gut. Recent studies suggest that diseases including type 1 and type 2 diabetes are potentially connected to the immune response initiated by foreign substances leaking into your gut. This same intestinal permeability, or leaky gut, can cause food proteins to pass through the gut wall and into the bloodstream where it can stimulate an immune response. Studies are now suggesting that where this occurs in some people, this can cause a cascade response and lead to the development of an allergy against certain kinds of food proteins. So what is leaky gut? Imagine these boxes are the cells of your gut lining. In a healthy state, they are tightly packed. The sections in between the boxes, or cells, are called the tight junctions. These act like gates to allow water and nutrients to go through to your blood, but keep out toxins. These balloons represent inflammation, and this inflammation creates a separation in the tight junctions, creating leaks to let toxins and food proteins into your bloodstream. This inflammation can come from a variety of things, such as excessive sugar and alcohol intake, long-term use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatories, such as the common paracetamol, for example, nutrient deficiencies in zinc, vitamin D, and vitamin A, chronic system inflammation, stress, poor gut health, especially when there is a greater number of bad bacteria versus good. So how do you keep your digestive system healthy and steer clear of disease? A healthy digestive protocol involves different stages. Stage 1, clearing out the bowel. This is important as this allows the detoxification process of the body to proceed and clears out the waste. If you had a slow-draining kitchen sink drain, you wouldn't just leave it, would you? Eventually, the sink would hit a point where draining would become almost impossible. Why? Because waste gets caught up on waste that's already in the pipe, and eventually it becomes a smelly, bacteria-laden block. So the first stage to a healthy digestive protocol is to open the doors and pathways with a bowel cleanse. One way to stimulate this process is with the use of magnesium salts. Magnesium salts draw water into the bowel and facilitates a flushing action, loosening any blockages and allowing them to naturally move through the system. Stage 2 is bringing your gut back into alignment by repairing your gut lining. The first step to this is through the control of any inflammation, thereby fitting the boxes back together nicely and creating a calm and positive environment for nutrients to be absorbed and the healthy probiotic bacteria to live in. Now, besides reducing inflammation-causing substances like sugar, alcohol, and high meat intake, adding in stress-reducing activities like yoga, restorative breathing, or meditation can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Our diet can help with this too. Nutrients such as the amino acids L-glutamine, lysine, and glycine can help regenerate the cells of the intestinal tract and create tight junctions between the cells. B vitamins and minerals also help the production of energy in the gut cells, facilitating the rebuilding of a healthy gut lining. And finally, stage 3. In order to restore a healthy gut environment and to keep the cells neatly and tightly together, you need protection against toxins and bad bacteria compromising the strength of your gut wall. As referred to earlier, the tight junctions are like gates for water and nutrients to move in and out of a cell. Those gates now need bodyguards for security to know who to let in and who not to. These bodyguards are the good bacteria called probiotics. Probiotics stop the oxidation process of the cells by the bad bacteria. This bodyguard system ensures that long-term maintenance for your gut health is achieved. So there you have it. When looking to repair and restore your gut, remember, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Clear out your bowel, repair your gut, and restore the good gut bacteria. At Health 2000, we believe your body wants to find balance naturally. So come on into one of our stores and tell them you are looking for a good digestive protocol to give your body the internal spa treatment it deserves. Health 2000, where caring comes naturally.